What's going on, you guys? I woke up this morning and had zero intentions of making a video. However, today is one of those big days that, you kind of write in a calendar and you plan for, and kind of give you guys a background. Last year, Haley and I went on a date, and it was the same day as the Blue Angels air show. Our date was to actually go fishing, watch the air show, and then come back and do some more fishing. So we've been plotting to do this for quite some time, and today was the day. I started taking some videos, and fortunately, we had a really good day fishing. For the past few weeks, I've been trying my hardest to catch a couple fish in particular because I haven't actually caught one and successfully landed it. So today I got hooked up onto those two fish and I got a really good fight, and fortunately Haley was able to take some videos. We had a really good day, woke up super early, fished for a few hours. Air show was about 3.5, 4 hours. So we went to grab lunch, watched the air show, and then we came back and did some more fishing. All the fish that I wanted to catch were in the evening, and fortunately, like I said, we were able to get a couple good clips, and I'm very happy to share those videos with you guys. It was a really good day, but without further ado, let's get to the videos.
They're holding footballs at each other. Oh my goodness. We're gonna go to the right some.
He's gonna run again.
You think so?
Yeah. He's catching his breath.
Come on, babe. Can you see it yet? Okay, I want to see it. Somewhere right here. Somewhere right there. Come on, fish. Let's get your first king. You see it? I'll show those poles in your way. Sorry. You see it? No.
I got it.
Oh.
I need him to go to the left.
All right, watch your feet. Watch your feet. Right there. Right there. There it is. Go right, babe. Go right. He's going to go right. Come on. Come on.
Good.
First one.
Yeah, sorry.
Huh?
Here, you see him?
No.
He's right there.
Where is it?
Takes his energy away.
I don't see it. Okay. Down here. It's coming out of the dark. Right there.
They didn't find it out. Yeah, let's turn around. Yeah.
No.
No, he's gotta go away.
No, I know that. I'm saying I thought he was turning this way. Here. Come on, babe. Get it. Where's he down there? Is he up? Oh my God. Oh, I see it. He's right there. He's right there. Right there. Come on, babe. What's down there? Another with it. Damn, it's a big ass fish. No.
Lee, I go over. You hold the pole.
What?
Lee, you hold the pole.
No, you can go over.
Babe, you can't go over. Where'd he go?
Why?
Where is he?
Go outside.
He got it. Come on. Where's he at?
We got it.
I want to get him jumping.
Right there.
Holy.
That's a monster, dude. That's a fucking monster. There's one right here. He's right
Babe.
down. Yes! Oh my God.
Hell yeah. Oh no. Death trap over here. That. Where is he?
He's gonna go under the, here.
No. Yeah. He went under. Yeah. Oh, there's another one out here. No, he's right in front of Aaron. Right in front of him.
I'm gonna get cut off here in a second.
Yo.
I can feel both. I can feel the, there
There it is.
You ready?
Who? Me or him?
Quick, quick, quick. He's trying to turn his head and pull him towards you.
It's like having a
Biggest
child.
fish you ever had on?
It's like giving birth.
He's way out there, huh? We're getting some ground back though. Don't force it. To the beach.
Your hair's blocking me. I wanted to jump.
Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, I had zero intention of making a video today, but it was such a great day. We ended up, whipping out our cameras and taking videos, and I just wanted to share those videos with you guys. So I hope you enjoy it. If you like the video and you want to see more videos like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like the video so you can see more content like that. And it really helps us just share the channel. Again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.